Live. We're live. And I'm missing a little move at this 10. Break at 10. We're not gonna look back, but looking at the break at 6,800. I took a trade earlier. I took 2 trades. I'll show it to you. But we may be able to get back down to this overnight low. It's pre-market low, overnight low, 86.25. So we got room if we break this 6,800. Looking at the daily, we had a bounce. That's off the 20 moving average right here. It's the daily chart. So this is the 20 moving average. We had a, oh, that's why I got a line there, but this is the 20 moving average. So we had a buy off this 20 moving average here. So closed the gap, had a dump, overnight sell. Something about Palantir and his earnings and 700%, not 700%, but PE ratio. A 700 PE ratio means that their price, their stock price is right now registering, or what's the word I'm looking for? Is claiming, not claiming, but it's the word I can't think of the word, but it's basically saying that the price is trading at a 700 price to earnings, meaning that basically the price of the stock should be divided by 700%, by 700. So it's trading at a multiple of 700 of earnings. So if it was going to make $1 next year, it's trading at 700. It's trading at the price of if it was making $700, basically, just to keep it simple. So price to earnings mean the price of the stock is trading at $700 when it's saying that it may make $1 in the next year. The earnings for next year is going to reflect. That's the word I'm looking for. Reflect that the 700 PE is reflecting the yearly earnings that, is trading at 700 times earnings. It's reflecting 700 times next year's earnings. It's only earning $1. Well, the stock should be $1 based on the earnings, but it's trading $700. Just to put it in perspective, that I'm going to give you money. You're only making $1, but the value is $700 for something that's only $1. That's it. But if we break this 68, we may retest 86.50. Overnight low, we may come back. Or we got the 200 moving average on a 4-hour chart, which is 68.11. If we stay under below, this way it just pulled back to. It pulled back, and I wanted to, but I was setting up the live stream, and I wanted to take the break of the 10 once it pulled back, but we're not going to go backwards. It didn't happen. Alright, saying I got poor. Okay, I gotta do something with my keyframes so I can stop the buffering. Stream settings. So how do I change my keyframes? Well, don't know how to change my keyframe, so something may start lagging, buffering. This low, so this 4-hour bar been coming down, and we was rolling over on the stochastics. I'm not gonna think about it. We might can get 68. See what the 4-hour bar wants to do. It's consolidating around here, which is good. I would rather it's consolidation and then a break than try to get like two moves down. We'll see where this market wants to go. Let's look at the calendar. I believe today is Tuesday, and we have today is Tuesday, and we have what we got. Let me clean this up a little bit. So today is Tuesday, and we have API Weekly Statistical Bulletin at 4:30. That's it. We don't have anything. Just earnings that's coming out. We got some earnings coming out, but other than that, there's no news here that we have to really worry about. So we have some movement that may, give us some volatility, but no news that's really coming out that want to give us some volatility. So, all right, let's go. I'm trying to figure out how to clean this up. Let's say error. Please use keyframe. So how do I do that? Let's see if I can copy and paste it and try to find out how do I do that. Because I want the live stream to go right. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to come back and start all over. Let me see if I can get my OBS, my streaming correct. How does it go? Let me see, trying to work on trying to fix the stream. There we go. Let me see if I can get it right. Setting output advance. It says goes to boom. Okay. Okay. I'm on advance. Okay. I see. Right here. Let me see if that works now, or if I have to start it over. I have to restart the stream. All right, I did that. I'm gonna restart the stream. We'll break down and restart it. I restarted it. I don't know how long it went down. But it's still going. Let's see if it's excellent connection. Okay, we back. I think. Let me check. Let me make sure. Let me make sure. Let me make sure. Uh-oh. I don't know. We live. Let me see. Okay. Here we go. What it say? What it do? Is it live? Is it live or is it Memorex? I'm live. Okay. It's time to get live. Alright, we bounced off of here, off to 6,800. I guess we're gonna be in between 6,800, 6,810. But we're back green. We're back green. That's what I wanted to know. That's what I wanted to know. We're back green. Let's stretch this out some, because this is a little area where we've been consolidating in. Oh no, we're gonna go out to, let's go out to 27. So man, just pick a date that it's gonna expand to, so it'll be there. See, overnight we've been in this range here. Came out a little bit, came down under it, came over, but we've really been in this range here. If you want to say 20 to 10, if you want to put the 10-point range in there, from 20 to 10, we'll break down and we'll break up. We want to say 20 to 10, but in here is where we really been in this range here. So we're coming back into this range before the market opens. Point of control is at let me try to get that. I'm looking for a chart. There we go. So look at this here on these charts. I got the 4 hour, got a daily. This is a little 3-minute with some heat map on it. Just see where some sellers or buyers are coming in at. And then we got on a 15-minute chart the value area high, the value area high, and the value area low. We got VWAP and a point of control. So point of control is 13.25. We're over. I don't have the 200 moving average on here, but we let me put the 200 on here. Just regular SMA. Nothing crazy, nothing heavy. Just apply real quick. Oh, no, 200. Just apply it. Probably got to put more data on here. Also, days to load 120. Let me see what happens. There we go. All right. Another thing I want to take off is the label. So I won't see the label at the top. Take that off. Okay, so here we go. 200 moving average. If we stay above the 200 today, definitely is where I want to be long. Looking at this 2024 above this previous bar. I want to see if we can get above this previous bar and try to take a long in between this 24 and this 50 area. 43. So it's some room to, try to get some points out of here. There's some room that may be able to get some points below the 6,800. Between the 620 and the 610, I don't really want to trade in here. I don't want to try to short into, this moving average. So I'm gonna see where the market opens up. Let's see which way it wants to go at the open. Do we come back and fill the overnight low, or do we get above above this S3 and try to make a move up into the 40. From 25 to 40, we got some points there. Or stay below the 200 moving average, and it's 10, and move down into overnight, and move down, and then I switched over to the other chart. My bad. Is we're gonna stay over this 200. So this is what I'm looking at on the daily chart and the 4-hour chart. We're gonna stay over this 200 moving average, and get over stay over the 20 and make this move back in this area. Try to move, retrace. Looking for the word retrace some of this bar here. But we got to get above the value high, which is in the same area, which is good because it's above, the value high. We get above the value high and get above the VWAP, and then could probably get the move up into the S2 if we can get above here. Or if we break down and test the value low, which is about 93, and if we break the value low to test the 86 of, but got 6,800, which is definitely psychological level. Let's see what the market, if it wants to pull back and turn over, if it wants to pull back, test and turn over and come back down, we'll see. But we got key level is this 25, this 25 up into the 40 level, or it may come up, test, and roll over. So we got some levels to watch and trade off of. This 650 been holding as support, tested once, twice, 3, even here it's been, you can see that open and close around that area, open, came back, closed around the area. We dipped below it, fake out, came and faked out some sellers, some shorts, and this may be a squeeze for the open, but this area been holding this 5-6 area been holding. As support. Market will be open in 5 minutes. We're gonna go over to the other chart. Back in this level, consolidating around here. Let me show you the trades I took pre-market. This is the trades I took pre-market. So the first trade I took, can't really see it. Gotta bring it out so. You know what? This is a 2 minute. Change to 1 minute, see if I can. Okay, so it separates it a little bit more. So I took 2 at 68.16. I got out. I don't like where you can't really see. So 68, I took a short and I got out around here around 613. Well, the first target got hit 614.25. Now I got some orders already set up, so I hit a buy order and it got me in at a buy order. So then I closed it out at 618 at 68.14 in the quarter. I made a mistake and bought a contract, and I just closed it out, and I closed the 3 out at 68.13.75. So I went 2 short at 16.50, and then I entered 2 at 13, but I already got out of one position, and I was trying to get out the second one, but I added 2 more, and then I just closed it out. So, but I was still in profit. Made a mistake buying when I was trying to move my target. I was trying to move the target up, and I grabbed it from the wrong part of the dome, and I'll show you. Then make a mistake. So then I entered 2 short here when we came up to test this top, and it's S3, and we was around 20. So I shorted, got a little heat, not much, which was good. And then I wasn't too, since we was running up and I was like, somebody's gonna get squeezed, and I see that we came up, made a lower high, and it could have popped. So I didn't really want to hold it long, so I took 1 point. I shorted, and then I just took 1 point. It kept going, but I saw this bar and I'm like, we may consolidate around here and pop above this. So I just got out with 1 point, and that was those trades. Okay, we having a dump pre-market, not pre-market, the market is open and we're moving lower. Haven't broke 6,800 yet. We still under the 4 hour, we're still under this 10. The low on this 4 hour bar is 01. So right now, look like we want to test these lows. But we came to 03, so we made a lower high. But we'll see where the market is going to go. Let me take this off. Leave the markers on and see if it, hopefully it doesn't get in the way of the chart. Little push down. Look like it's buyers stepping in. Back to point of control. Back in this area. So let's see which way the market is going to go. We're going to break out this area, roll over, test this high at 25, which is S3. This 4 hour bar closed at 20.50. So we're in between, I want to say 10 and 20, but I'm not trading in between the 10 and 20 level. Not going to trade in between this 10 and 20 level. Now this is the 20 here. I could move it up. We was having some this 15, but I'm gonna move it up to the 20. Let me just give it 20. So yeah, so this is basically like 10 and 20. Okay. Getting buyers stepping in and then it's selling off. Are they going to try to trap people that's going short under 68? Do they want to test the 6,800 and trap? Or it's timing, because they'll trap the weak positions early. You look at it and be like, yeah, we good. We good to go. And then we get those pops. We've been getting bored up down here. Small pop, pop back, low high. Let's see if it wants to break or crack. 6,800. Okay, is it going to crack it and hold it? Okay. Look like it's struggling, but it looked like it may go. I'm gonna give it a shot if I can get Order it. Filled. Let's see. Let's see if it go or if it's gonna bounce. If this gonna go, if it's gonna bounce. Trying to get the first break. Look. When I get in, it always look, there we go. It's gonna filled. I was the test dummy. Lower 97. Lower 97, but it may go again. Order submitted. If it comes down again, that may just be a little pop to get us weak out. Get the weak players out. Let's see if it comes back. No. That was it. That was that. Order canceled. That was that pop. It may come back. They'll do that. If it breaks the 90 again, let's see. They may just come and still go. What's the low of this bar? Low of this bar is 98.50. Order filled. Okay, I'm taking it again. Taking it again. And see if it's still playing around. Second time. Still again. Nope. Stop filled. Okay, so I'm gonna wait around because I think it's gonna go, but it's just gonna keep shaking us out. Shaking us out. So I'm gonna wait to the next 15-minute bar. I'm just early, and it's beating me up. But I got my stops near there to protect me. Yep. So we was myself. I was the squeeze. Ran up 6-7 points. If you're early, you're wrong. Well, it all depends on where your stops are. Playing around 6,800, over and under 6,800. Teasing somebody. Got me twice. Trying to get the round number break. Psychological number break. Didn't work. This looked like where it may turn over. It looked like where it may turn over. I'm going to try to take it. I'm going to try. Let me see if we still early.
Stop.
Yep. Okay. That trade I'm not, well. Have to be careful down here. Squeeze. It's squeezed to the upside. Okay. Let me see something. I had it on the 2-minute chart. Back in here. Okay. Let's see which way it wants to go. Just in the range of this 4-hour bar. Let's see if we can get out of this range one way or the other. One way or the other. I'm gonna take these off. Take the markers off. Okay, we had 20. Don't want to short the 20 because I don't want to be the one getting squeezed from this low here. I got hit twice. Now these buys down here may get squeezed over 20 fast. Let's see. Got the S2 and okay. Might have to wait another 15 minutes. Or we just range around in here. Next forward bar opens up at 10 minutes, so we just range around in here. Here's 21.25. Keep testing the VWAP. This red line is VWAP right here. It's not breaking VWAP. Had to pull back. Still rejecting off of VWAP. From yesterday, we got some channels that was up here on the chart. Don't know if they'll hold or if these channels will hold, but getting over VWAP. We have some resistance at 25, but is it going to hold or will it go through? Is that where? Oh, you hear them outside, they're cutting the grass. And it's loud, they're cutting the grass right now. I think we're gonna come. Thought we was gonna roll over and back into here. Thought we was gonna get a rollover under VWAP. Guess not. Thought we was about to get a rollover. We up 24 now. We up to 25. 24.50. 25. Might get the squeeze. I don't want to go short. I want to see it come up, a pull back, and then a continuation over this 25 and try to get long. And hopefully it don't go without me early. I don't want to get in front of a moving train. So I want to see a pullback. I don't try the shorts. Another ball was up at 10 o'clock. Next 4-hour bar. I'm just getting ran over. We at 30 now. Need to see a pullback. If we get a pullback to VWAP, some consolidation. I don't want to try to take this break over 30. I want to see it pull back. They may go without me. I don't want to take a break over 30. no pullback. The squeeze is on for everybody that was short down under this 200 moving average. And down here, the squeeze is on. Gotta wait for a pullback. Gotta wait for a pullback. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna get it. $41. Close is 27. Right now we're in between this gap fill. 27 was this gap fill. Okay, so now we got a red, we still have a red daily bar and a green 4-hour chart. If we break the 27, that's what I'm looking at, this close. 27. Would like to see it over and under 30, a break below 30, and then a move back above it. So my charts just freeze. That's how I do my charts freeze. I just freeze my charts, huh? Still connected, but they freeze my charts, right? All right, so I disconnected and I'm gonna connect back. And the survey says still not back up. Still not back up. I'm live, but my charts is not live. Connection is good, but my data is not. No data connection. I disconnected again. Try to reconnect again. Reconnecting. Now, where is it? Now it's up at 37. All right. The forward bar opened up. That's what happened. They froze me for the new forward bar opening up. Got as high as 38. The low is 34. The high is 37.75. $37.75. Now it's up here at the 40s. What's the low here? 34.25, 75.
Order submitted.
I'll take a shot. I'll take a shot. If this wants to try to get some of this back. If it tries to break the low and give some of it back, I'll take a shot. If not, we keep going higher. And that 34 is on a trend line too, a nice uptrend line. I'm gonna close it out. The next stop is this 43. And it's the 4-hour bar, and it's early in this 4 hours, so and 40 only gives us 43, so it ran up without any pullbacks for me to get into. So I'm gonna close this.
Order canceled.
Okay, look like it may be turning around. That 34. I want to see. 34 to 43, 33 to 43, 10 points. I'm not 34, but we over 34. Forty to 43. Really want to see a pullback. We can get it because on the daily chart we still red. Got this 40. What's this low? 43.50. That's around here. So we can go from this 43.50 back into this 30. We trade between 40 and 30. They're gonna dump a little dump 34, 33 and a quarter. 33 to 43. We get back above it. It's open as 36. Who's gonna take control? The buyer still is taking control. The buyer still in control. That was a shakeout bar. Let's see. Who's in control? That shakeout bar. Is this a shakeout bar? Low is 33 and a quarter. Another 3 minutes for the next 15-minute bar open up. Consolidation would be nice. Don't hurt to consolidate. Let me see. This came up 41. Broke down right after 41. We up here at the resistance S2. 44. Let's see what happens, where the market wants to go. Consolidate and move higher. Take a breather and move lower. Yeah, we made 42, between 42 and 30. That's 10 points. It's 10 points in there. Let's see where we go. $40 to $50 is not going to be easy as 15 to 40. That squeeze came in. Let's see. Some exhaustion. Okay, testing S2. Testing the S2. Still trying to hold up. All right. Got some rejection off the 43, 44. Got some rejection off the 44. Look at that. Then you go here. Pardon me. $55, 44 to 52. The low on this bar is 43, which is right here. The low on this bar is 450. So we can try to test this 50, 52, 42 to 50, 52. There we go. $33, $36. You're holding the 14 moving average. There go to 44. Break it to 44. It wants to test that 50. Can we sit around here for a minute? Shaking up here. Holding between 37 and 43. Well, trying to get over that 44. We'll get a 44.25.
Order filled.
Let's see if it keep going to 50. It's gonna be a tough one, and I may be in the lead. Don't know if I'm in late. Let's see if this can keep going, pressing up, and we can keep getting some momentum. I don't know if the momentum is slowing down or if this is gonna hold for now. We haven't closed above this 44 yet. We just peaked above it, keep testing above it, but we haven't closed above it yet. So we got a high, a lower high, and let's see if this can keep going. Have to stay over the 44 though. Okay. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. See if we can get to 50. I want to test the 52 because that'll kind of get me to break even, but we got some at 50. The S1 is 52. Let's see if we can. I'm pushing it, which I shouldn't be. I should just be 52. But we got the low is 49.50 right here. I ain't gonna try to be greedy. Get what I can. See if we can get the move up into the 50. No, not even 49.25. The low on here is what? 46.25, 75. Right here. Don't even want to try to break the 49. That's not nice. Okay, come on. It's gonna make me move my stop down. I mean my target, because come on. Went to 49 and got rejected. $49.25. Don't want to give me $49.25, which is not really
Target filled.
okay. Got some of it back. 52. 50. Try to front run 50. Got it. Sometimes it'll come back. Could have trailed it, but looking up here, it looked like it could push back, pull back. I really don't want to take any more trades up here unless we have a pullback or something. Okay, I got some of it back. Got ripped at the bottom, got some of it back here. So this red line is the prior low. So this the previous day's low. That's right here. No, this is the daily. That's right here. 49.50. So we pulled into the 49.50 to 50 and sold off a little bit. Rejected. Okay. Now we're getting a pull, but let's minor pullback. Another 15-minute bar just opened up. Back to the 44. This 15-minute bar. Look at this. We've been following this trend line here. Broke above it, then just stayed above it, didn't break it so far. This trend line from here, yesterday, broke above it, tested, 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 and we on it now. Are we gonna roll over now, or is it time? Is it time to roll over? Let's see. We came through 1, 2, went up to 3, almost 3 support levels, resistance levels. Now we see $46. He sold off the 68.50s. Well, rejected from the 68.50. $49.39 just dumped 10 points. Holding the previous trend line from here. Minor trend line, minor trend line. Okay, come back, test the open. 13.50. I mean, the close. 36.50. And this opened at 36.25. Lowest 33. So we back into the open of the forward bar. Lowest 33, which is here. Do we get a break and a head and shoulders? The shoulders, a head and the shoulders for a move down? Or do we come back to 40, reject 40 and break 33? Might not get a retest to 40. Get a retest to 40 up in this area, 39, 40 area. Or do we just, but sellers start taking over and just start making new lows? Still got this 27 here. This close, 27 could become support. Did we get all the squeeze that we was going to get out of here on the upside? Is the squeeze done? Let's see. Looks heavy. Long as this is below this close in the open, that 36. I'm going to want to take it now. Now, the break of it, I could miss the first break and just miss the whole move. See? Somebody is watching. Somebody. What's this about? What is the freezing of my charts about? What's that about? What is that about? What's the freezing of my charts about? What is it? What is it? I'm going to disconnect and I'm going to connect. And they're going to show me what? I'm connected. And they're going to drop. That's what happened. They didn't want me to go with them. So they freeze my charts. It's at 29. It's at 29. And my chart is still not active. I'm logged, disconnected, connected back, logged off, logged on. Okay. Hey, the short I want to take at the break is now no longer available to me, right? This trade is no longer available to me. Suspicious? I would say so. No longer available to me. That trade, no longer available to me. That break of the low of the 33 had time to get in because it didn't. This dump about 3 points. To VWAP. Well, another 15-minute bar opens up in about 2 minutes, and that may give us some room to make something. Let's see where this wants to go. So now we may have a, let's see if we have a channel somewhere. Try to get a clear channel somewhere without it being like a pennant or tightening up. $41. We could get back. I wasn't looking at this. Over this 27, we definitely could get back to the high of this bar, which is 41. Didn't even look at that. Didn't look at, understand that we was in between this on the daily chart. Wouldn't want to jump in now. And the 15-minute bar just opened up. We over 30. Oh, well, we over 36. Let's see if we just start ranging between this 36 and this 27 to 41. Bounce off of VWAP. Looks pretty nice. 15-minute bar opened up. See if we can get something to line up. See if we can get something to line up. So now we got a nasty looking wick at the top, wick at the bottom, forward bar. I don't mind seeing if we came and did it a little something like this, go sideways in order to get to the next levels. Go sideways for a minute or break down. One way or the other. It's 30 to 20 could be a 10-point move to the downside. Okay. What is it doing? If it go and start, consolidating up here, it may break down and go up. It may break up and go down. But over this 40, then you got 20. Damn, you got 40 to 20. You got wide ranges here. All right. Looks like we may have a move. We may. Is it ready? Is it? We got 27 here. We got this 27.50. It came as low as 25.50. Came bounced back up off the VWAP. We got this line, this trend line. Where we going? Where we going? The outside cutting the grass. So we got red, a big green, okay? And a red. Got a nice hammer. Right now, no direction. Look, it could break this 30, or it could bounce back up off the 30. Okay, it's breaking 30. Okay, is it breaking at 27? 27? Yep, it's breaking at 27. High 49.50, low 25. It's 24 points. Back to 668. Back to 6805. Lot to get through. Could this be a double bottom on a VWAP? Double bottom. Another 15-minute bar just opened up. We going down to VWAP. Breaking VWAP. Or what? We gonna continue the downtrend on the second half of the day. On the back end. Okay, VWAP is at 25.50.
Order filled.
Don't know if it's early or if this the move. See if we can get back up to 34. Got to get past 33 though. This got to get past 33. Move my stop to break even. What happened? It didn't move yet. Come on. Didn't move yet. What's going on? What's happening here? Don't make me close my position. It didn't move my stop. Okay, it did. Didn't make it to 34. Now if it break VWAP, didn't make it to 34. Now if this pop came up and it breaks VWAP, then we may be looking to go lower because Let's see where this wants to go. Is it gonna hold 30? Or is it gonna dump? $30 to 40 or 30 to 20? That's the question. I am more bullish. It could dump, but I'm looking at VWAP 200. Then we can come back down to this area where we was overnight. We can definitely want to come back into this overnight range of 20. So that's what I'm looking at also. This 20 range, if it wants to come back down in here and breaking VWAP would do that. The break of VWAP would make that happen. Tested a pop here, tested here. I'm trying to hold it. I'm trying to hold it at VWAP. Okay, skin a little bounce off a VWAP. Looks like it wants to bounce off this VWAP, but I don't like this looking like this week wants to turn over. Like stochastic looking like it's weak. I'm going to take the break and see if it pops on me. It pops on me. I'm taking it. Look. There we go. And it pops. Yup. Selling into that support.
Stop filled.
Selling into that support. They got me. They got me. They got me. And they got some other people they looking to squeeze, huh?
Order filled.
See if they tricking me on the other side. See if I'm right on the other side. Tried to get to 33, 34 before. Let's see if this time is the right time. Sometimes I'll try to move from here and make an order. Come on. See if you get it right this time. My screen froze. Why? I got my orders in, but my screen is froze. Why? Glad I got to move my stop before they just killed my screen. Connection is excellent. Screen just frozen.
Stop filled.
Screen frozen, but my stop is filled. That's all they can tell me, right? Tell me my stop is filled, though. Disconnecting, connecting back. Disconnecting and connecting back. Chart's still not up. My dome, my chart is up. My dome and my charts is not up. Now they're up. Okay. Can't stop me out. And then there we go. Back to the movement, right? Okay. Back to the movement. So they don't want somebody in. They don't want somebody in the right direction. We're in between this 32 and 41 here. I mean 27 and 41 here. We're playing in between that gap close. That's where we are. In between the gap close. I'm going to take these away since VWAP is there. We don't really need. See what I show you look like on a 15-minute chart. Look at this. That's those. They buy, they dip, pull up. So we got to close. We got to open at 31. We got to close at 31.75. We got to open at 31.75. So we got between this 31 and we just in this range right here. We come down, come back in this range. It's 30 to 33 range. Go back to 2. We got orders up here, we got orders below. This over and under 30. Over under 30 right here. We to draw a line. Over 30, under 30, over, under, over. Over, under 30 right now, no direction. 68.30. Looks like it's time to go. Get up here, sell back down. This is 26, so it's coming back into this area. Up, down in this area right here. Trading in this range on the daily chart. Close in the high of that gap on the 24th. That gap on the 24th. Well, not the close on the 24th. The gap came the next day, previous day, but now it's hitting my 35 and 34. Got orders here, got orders here. And this may be the dump. The break of 30. Or shakeout bar. It's just in between 40 and 25. I mean, nice. It's a big range, 15-point range. Not even 40, but 10 point, 35, 36, 35, 26, 25, 27, 35. Another 15-minute bar opens up. I may have to come back late in the day because this it's not doing anything. I don't want to force a trade. It looks bullish and it looks bearish at the same time. We just in the middle of over and under 30. Right now is kind of like that line in the sand. Another 15-minute bar about to open up. About 1 minute. Ten seconds. Back in the range. Back in the same range. Above 30, but back in the same range. Looking to test 30. 31. Okay, there we go. 30 and a quarter. Okay, under 30. Still in this range here. Still in this range here. Now it created a higher range than the than the overnight. Do we want to come back and get back in here? Are we ready to get? All right, I like this. And the breakdown, this is coming down. Okay, this may be the move. Like I said, maybe. Every time I come in, it bounce. Got orders down here. So we just going back and forth in this box. They're holding on to VWAP. I tell you that. It's holding on to VWAP. Okay, when it dipped a little low, 25, 24 and a quarter.
Order filled.
Try to see if I can get over 27. See if we get a pop. Ah, didn't break 27. Ah, took it before 27. Was looking at this, the open, the close of 27. I wanted to see if it was going to get over 27 because we may stay below 27 and just keep breaking lower. So my trying to get that over that 27. I bought it at 27. That's how it happened.
Order canceled.
That's how it happens. I'm gonna stay out of here. I'm gonna go. This is it for me for the day. I'm not taking no trades in here. Trying to wait for the move to happen instead of trying to catch the move. And that's it for me for the day. I may come back in the second half, 2 o'clock when the next 12 bar opens up, but I won't be live streaming it. So that's about it.